Hi there, Ravi with the Rams Group at eXp Realty here. Today, we're going to discuss why sellers need to leave their homes when there are showings. There are multiple reasons for it, and we'll look at them in detail. When you're selling your home, it can be totally inconvenient to have to leave the home for showings that pop up at the last minute, right? Especially during times when you have people working from home, your kids learning from home, etc. But the truth is, you really shouldn't be home for showings and open houses while your agent is trying to sell your home for top dollar. And before we look at why, a quick detour. I hope to bring relevant educational content to keep you in the know, and you hitting that subscribe button, liking this video, and smashing that bell icon would go a long way in helping others too derive value. And I totally appreciate it. Back to our topic. The home is an intimate place and you have a lot of emotions invested in it, don't you? And you're not going to want to hear potential buyers say they plan to tear out the kitchen backsplash that you absolutely love, or turn your nursery into a sterile home office. If buyers feel awkward in your home for any reason, they are not going to make an offer. Not only can you being home for a showing make a potential buyer uncomfortable, it can also be a huge distraction. Even if you love your home and want to sing all of its praises to the potential buyers, leave that part to your real estate agent. And your agent's job is to help make buyers fall absolutely in love with your home. So for example, when I do showings, right, I'm not just going to point out the number of bedrooms, number of bathrooms, the date when you last replaced the roof. I'm going to be specifically talking about the value opportunity as well as the livability opportunity, which sets your home apart. And when buyers envision their lives unfold in your home, they're going to dream about all the bells and whistles. That's what I do. Now, the great news is we can set the schedule so that the showings take place while you're at work or at school, and it's minimally disruptive to the household. If you have any questions about the selling process or the home showing process, do not hesitate to reach out to me at any time, and I am happy to share specific insights with you. That should help. Okay, until next time, you stay safe and we'll connect soon. Bye-bye.